On the first day of this Web3 Summit 2026, we already had the talks by Gavin, by Yanis Varoufakis, and by Amir Taki. From the talks, the one we are going to be talking a little bit on this video is the one by Gavin, saying we want to know a little bit more about the Polkadot app. To comment on the Polkadot app, we have this data, this alpha by this guy called Limo, who seems to be a great beer drinker. Polkadot super apps for people. We have basically the mobile and desktop web version. That's great to know that we are going to have the both versions. So we have the greater UX UI as possible for the user. So there is not errors anymore on both type of device, on mobile and on desktop web. And you can check here in the image that we are going to have private chats, private payments, audio and video calls, no addresses, identity, expression, UX modalities, usernames, media sharing, and Web2 UX is how they summarize all of this. From these features that we can check here, the more interesting ones, in my opinion, we are going to see maybe is the private chats and private payments, because this is specifically something that is only possible thanks to Polkadot, no? For this Web3 platform surface that is Polkadot to serve. Something I liked it from this presentation by Gavin. I didn't watch it yet. I hope to watch it pretty soon when it's available for everyone. But the detail that I like it the more is the differentiation between Web3 and crypto. Web3 is not crypto. We are talking about the next internet. The internet that is conditional by platforms. We don't like that anymore. We want the internet centered around the human. So yeah, that's basically all the review we can check for now. Let's see in the next weeks, we have everything to try the app from our own homes, and it's not needed to be IRL in the event. I guess in the next few weeks, we are going to see everything. In the end, you have to think that the main blocker, as far as I know, for the Polkadot app and all this stuff is maybe the legal part, no? The establishment of the Polkadot Community Foundation and all this stuff. In the end, that you have to think that it's a expensive and extended work. All the legal part and operational part and all that. That's something that I learned in the last years, no? That is something that it takes a lot of time from the people. It's not a productive time, but it's needed, especially for everything we want to achieve this, no? In the long term. But something that lasts in the future is the hard part. That's why I like that vision of Polkadot 2030, for example. Here's the video, guys. That simple comment on the event for now. Let's see how it evolves today and what more surprise we are going to see. And in the next weeks, I guess we are going to receive more content and more stuff from everything that was recorded as shared on the Web3 Summit 2026. So people from internet, don't desperate. If you are not in Berlin like me, I guess we are going to get all the cool stuff pretty soon.